Hi, in this tutorial, we will see the CEPT University Library mobile app in action. You can find and download the CEPT Digital Library mobile app from both iOS App Store and the Android Playstore. Once you have installed the library app on your mobile, please log in using the CEPT University Digital Library login credentials. Once you are logged in, you can see the latest books added to the print collections of the library, links to browse collections by media or publisher, and the latest posts from the library's Instagram page. On the home page, you will also find trending e-resources and e-books, e-journals, and videos recommended by the library staff. You can browse e-resources by subject, publishers, media, or topical collections. You can click on any of these publishers subscribed by the library to list their publications. Once you get the results, you can tap on the thumbnail for more details or on this bubble on the top right to open options. Tap on the Read button to load the full text on the publisher platform. You will be navigated to the publisher platform where you can read the full text of any article or download the PDF on your mobile phone. You can also search by keyword within the app across all publications or a particular media type. The app will first show you the print collections available in the library and matching your search query. You can switch over the tabs here to load e-resources subscribed by the library, e-resources uploaded by the staff, news, expert talks, and more. You can sort the results alphabetically or by year of publication. You can also filter results by publisher, author, media type, accessibility, or year of publication. If you switch over to the Articles tab here, the app will broadcast your search to all the subscribed publishers and help you find relevant scholarly papers. You can also save any of the search results to reading list. You can create multiple folders and save as many articles as you need into those folders. You will find all your saved items in the reading list here. If you need any assistance or have any feedback for us, please fill out this form here and we would be happy to help you. Please try the CEPT University Library mobile app today and help us spread the word in the campus. We will be waiting for your feedback and suggestions. Happy reading!